Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video.
Hi, so I'm going to make a lacy heart. Makes a nice Valentine ornament. I'm starting with a chenille stem or pipe cleaner, whatever you want to call it. A beaded ribbon, they have little eyelets in them. And then I'm going to use 8mm faceted beads. You need to go with ones that don't easily fit through these holes. It doesn't have to be these faceted beads. They could be tri-beads or whatever. They just have to be big enough so that they don't fit right through the holes of these bead lacings, because that won't work for you. So I'm just putting on a bead, folding the lace up over onto the chenille stem, slide it down a little bit, add another bead, and I will just continue to do this until I have the full chenille stem. So I've got my chenille stem pretty much all filled up. So I am going to just take my scissors, trim off my lace. And then I'm going to just kind of twist these ends together. Okay, so now I have a bit of a circle. So I am going to take and find where the bottom point would be, because this is going to be a heart. And then I'm taking a template that I made for something else, and I'm just using it to guide me, to help me make a heart-shaped thing. And I can mold it around till I get something that I like. And when I'm pretty satisfied with my shape, I'm going to take some ribbon and make a hanger for it. And I am going to take a pretty long piece, and I am going to fold that in half, and I'm going to put my half right over that divot in the heart top, just like that. And then I'm going to come up here and tie a knot in this end. And I'll go ahead and trim that off. There we go. Okay, so we have our hanger, and then all we need is something to cover this up with. I found this little ribbon that I am going to put right there to kind of hide where it comes together. So I am just going to put a little sticky dot on that. Press it down, and there I have a cute little heart that's all ready to go. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to put something different on this side. And on this side I'm going to put some roses, so I am going to trim off this little bit of excess of the beading ribbon, and going to find where to place my little roses. Sometimes the sticky dots don't come up with them very well, so sometimes you have to add to them, and you can certainly use a glue gun or just regular craft glue to stick these down, whatever's your preference. So I think I'm going to put several of these little roses on here. think a nice set of 3 works really well. And so here I have it done. So I've got little roses on that side, and just a simple ribbon on this side, and can hang that up in a window. That would be really nice. The beads will catch the light if I hang it up in a window. So whatever you'd like to do with it, or put it on a cupboard door, whatever suits your fancy.